everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute snowman from Dollar Tree. So I grabbed one of the metal snowman cutouts in the crafting section of the Christmas stuff at Dollar Tree, a mop pad, one of the fluffy ones, 3 larger buttons, 2 smaller buttons, and 1 carrot button, and a piece of fabric for a scarf. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay down my snowman onto my mop pad and trace around it. And I only traced onto the part of the mop pad that actually sticks to the mop. I didn't do it on the fuzzy stuff. I kind of got the idea of where I needed to cut out just by doing this. So I just did it on the part that actually sticks to the mop. And then I just used a pair of scissors and cut out my shape. And this stuff is extremely messy, so you're going to need some serious cleanup when you're done. But it's totally worth it. And if you can't find the metal snowman cutout, feel free to use a piece of cardboard or a piece of the foam board because you're not even going to see the inside of it. So once I had it all cut out, I just hot glued a lot of hot glue onto the mop pad, and then I laid my snowman metal part down on top of it and just pushed it into place. And my Dollar Tree only had 1 mop pad. If it had 2, I would definitely cover the back. So if you can get 2 of the mop pads, that's probably the best bet. So I'm going to go back today and see if they have any more at the other Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to add one to the back side. And now I'm just kind of fluffing it out and pulling off all the little excess that's falling off. And look how fuzzy he is already. Next, I'm going to take my scrap fabric and I'm just going to wrap it around and tie it for his scarf. And I just did a knot on the side. And you can use any fabric that you have. I had another ticking stripe fabric, but I definitely wanted to stick with the black and white because I liked the way it looked better. Then I'm just going to trim it up. And look at, he looks cute already. I think he looks cute without a face at all and without anything. I would actually not mind leaving it just like that. Next, I'm going to take the 2 smaller buttons and I'm going to glue them onto his head for his eyes. And then I'm going to take his little carrot button and glue that right underneath his eyes. You could use anything for a button for his nose instead of the carrot buttons if you can't get those. I got those at Joann's a few years ago. And then I'm just going to take the other 3 buttons and glue them right down the front of his belly. And that is it. This is such a super cute and super easy project. And if you have a bigger tree, this is a bigger ornament for that, so it would look really good in a bigger tree. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.